Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are taking a look at the TRS War Eagle Tomahawk. This is a full-size throwing tomahawk. Of course, it's not just for throwing. This is just a great all-around tomahawk. You can use it as a tool, survival tool. You can use it as a self-defense weapon. You can use it to throw. Very cool product. We're very excited about this. And as you can see, we have it in two colors. One is black oxide and one is natural satin stainless steel. You can buy these as individually in either color. You can buy them as a set of two of one color, or you can buy them as a mix and match. And another option that we have with this item is this wall mount, which is very cool. Very excited about this. Took some time to develop and get this just right, but essentially what this does is allows you to screw this into your wall. Has some oversized screws, so you're definitely going to want to get this into a stud, at least on either this line or this line. You could use anchors as much as you trust your wall, but for something heavy and sharp like this, try to get it into a stud. And it allows you to mount them on your wall in a crisscross pattern, and then it has a strap that comes included, and that retains them so they can't fall out. So very cool, looks pretty awesome on a man cave wall, or maybe your den or your office, wherever you want to put this thing. And of course it means that you've got a weapon kind of at the ready in your home, and you always have that ready for you. Yeah, so very cool option. You can purchase this separately as well for a very reasonable price, and yeah, very cool to have that. I've not seen anybody else selling this with a set of tomahawks, so very cool. So a little bit more about the tomahawks themselves. Also come with a carrying case. This is nice because tomahawks are kind of sharp, and sometimes you get these and they don't have any kind of case with them, and then it becomes just this problem of where the heck do I keep this thing. This one also, you access it through the top, and it's retained with these two snaps and also Velcro. And you don't have to use all of that, but it definitely is going to keep it secure if you want to. And then there's also a loop here, so you can carry this on your side, which is of course very nice to have. So they come with a carrying case sheath. And then just to kind of dig into this, these are made out of stainless steel, and the handle is glass reinforced nylon. And these are pretty sturdy, guys. These are pretty tough. We designed these for throwing. We have a throwing wall that we'll probably show you some clips of in this video. And we throw the heck out of these things, and we throw them on asphalt. So these things are bouncing off of the asphalt when we don't stick it, and they hold up pretty well. So definitely a durable item. The handle is somewhat smooth, but it has these rings cut into it to give you some grip. So I would say, to me, this is a good middle of the road. Sometimes some tomahawks have some really aggressive pattern in it. And if you're actually using it as a tool and you're not wearing gloves, you get blisters really quick from that. I don't really see the need for that. So we've just got kind of a mild pattern in here. Enough to give you grip if it's dirty or your hands are sweaty. You still get enough grip, but it's not so aggressive that you're pretty much guaranteed to get blisters if you have to actually chop up some wood with this thing. The other reason to have it on the smooth side is that you get a good release when you're using this as a throwing hawk. You don't want the curved end like a lot of the more wood chopping tomahawks have. That has their place, but if you want a throwing tomahawk, you want it to be smooth. So that's what we've done. It's a straight handle, and it's fairly smooth. And I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but we've got this TRS logo here that's actually into the tomahawk itself, and then it's laser engraved with the product name War Eagle. Very cool. It's a little more visible on the black oxide version. And just real quick, this black oxide coating, it's a surface conversion process. A lot of people mistakenly think that this is powder coated or some kind of a paint. It's not. It's actually a chemical process that converts the top layer of steel into magnetite. And that process means that it can't chip, peel, or flake off because it's not paint. It can wear off. If you use this a lot, it can actually wear it down to the bare metal, but that takes a lot of use and abuse for that to happen. But it's not gonna peel, chip, or flake. It's cosmetic, but it's also functional. This is stainless steel, so you don't have to have a blade coating to keep it from rusting. However, if it's exposed to really harsh chemicals or salt water, or it's left wet, especially if it's left in salt water, you can have some corrosion, but the black oxide coating helps with that a little bit. So that's kind of the basic rundown. If you have the TRS War Eagle, we'd love to know what you think about this. And if you're thinking about getting it, also let us know in the comments what questions you have, and we'd be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.